Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I'm wrapping up work on this wonderful 2003 Golf TDI, and one thing keeps bothering. Anytime I walk by, I feel really bad for not addressing this issue. What is it? These Hazy headlights. I really feel bad that the owner is driving with it. I know the difference when it's Hazy to this kind of level, and this one is bad, it's really yellow. I know there is a huge difference in what you can see in the night, right? You can see actually right here on the top. It's that original glass, and this is how it ended up. So I decided, despite the fact she didn't ask me to do anything with it, for her own sake I decided to repair this. If you want to see how I do that, stay with me in this video. I had in past a really good experience with this 3M product, so that's what I will be using right now. And this procedure always should start with cleaning as much as possible the lens, right, the plastic material, before I will start sanding it. If I will be sanding it manually, I will not damage the surrounding areas, the paint on it. But if I want to use the electric drill and using these pads, you have to cover all these parts, because it's so easy just to slip on it and then the paint is gone, because sandpaper will take it off immediately. And it all starts with the yellow sanding disc, which they call P500, and that's that first removal of that yellow stuff, which is basically covering that entire plastic lens. It's very important to put the sandpaper very often in the water, because that's lubricating that whole process. Now, just to show you, if you will be using that drill, right, you put it on the slow setting, and basically what is really important, you don't put any pressure on it, right? You don't run it too fast, and you just continue sanding it. As I said before, you will have to have tape everything, because it's very easy with this edge. When you hit the paint, it will basically immediately go. And basically all you do is you just follow the instructions which came with the kit. And basically you keep using this first sanding paper, it's a yellow color, right, until that yellow material completely disappears from the lens, and the lens actually is becoming white. And I achieved that white color, so I'm switching to the next level, and that's a sanding disc which has a name P800. So it's a finer disc, and I basically continue doing exactly the same, but I'm creating finer surface on this light lens. And as previous case, it's important to use plenty of water. And in this step, when you use the white disc, this is the time when the whole headlight is becoming kind of starting getting clear and transparent again. Now I have a lot of micro scratches on that lens, right? So it's time to get rid of those, and this is the last disc. Call it green gray. That's a finest one. It has a number 3000, and that's for removing the finest, or making it absolutely clear. You have to first soak it with the water, and then you start doing this final sanding. again, you can use the drill, it will make it faster. And this moment, I will say it's hysterically funny because I finally start seeing the detail of those bulbs here and also here, how the bulbs look like. And there is actually another one on the bottom. When you look through here, the other lens, you have no idea really what is inside. This is unbelievably funny. This is so much fun. I can't believe this, how clear it's becoming. I love it. And I'm finally done with the wet sanding and it's time to start polishing. And this kit comes with a rubbing compound, or if you have your own, you can use your own. And before you will start using the drill, right, it's good to spread that compound over the lens so you can reduce the spatter, right? It's not splattering all over. And you don't have then you don't spend too much time with the cleanup. So I'm ready here, and again I will hold it this way. I should have it taped, right, as we discussed. And I'm starting polishing this lens. I don't want to go too fast, because it will start shooting everywhere. I don't want to have that, so I'm observing that, and I will keep going. I have all kinds of products here at home, so I will experiment with those, right? I don't have the original one anymore. And basically, you keep working on it until you achieve that perfect clarity of the lens. And somebody who never tried to do this, right? Like, if they want to know what is rough time idea, I will say I will play with this stage for like 5 minutes, and that will be it. I will call it quits. After that, I will start cleaning up. I will first wipe it off with this sponge, and after that, I will use my microfiber cloth to perfectly clean the lens. And oh my god, like seriously, the difference here is so insane. I can't even believe it. Definitely this car, this exact lens produces such a huge difference. This is unbelievable. But it will be foolish to stop right now, because if we did, the sun will destroy this beautiful effect, depending where you are living, but pretty soon, right? We still have to seal that surface and protect it from the sun UV rays. And this is synthetic wax protectant. It's for the paint basically, but 3M says we are supposed to use it also for these lenses. I have an applicator which I'm using only for this product, right? So I'm keeping it together. And basically, right now, again, the small amount on the applicator. That's probably too much, but whatever. I will leave it for the other lens too. So this is really protecting synthetic wax. This is the last stage. This will help protect this lens from the sun, and the effect of cleaning, this maintenance and repair, will last way longer. And the 3M says do not leave that product haze on the paint or this light. Use the microfiber, right? And buff it basically by the hand to that very final stage. And this customer is actually coming tonight to pick up the car. I will be leaving it for her parked outside. I'm pretty sure she will freak out when she will see the difference. Look at this, that's a new lens. Here we go. What is this? Right, this is unbelievable. Let's change the setting. Look at his haze surface. I will keep it in the same angle. Look at this. This is absolutely insane. These lights really, I made a lot of them in past, but I think these lights on this Volkswagen are showing the biggest improvement I ever saw before. So my friend, stay tuned, be subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.